Hello and welcome to our August 2019 Financial Markets Updates publication for the Inner Circle. This is James Painter from Dynamic Forex Solutions, and I look forward to sharing with you our updated outlook on the markets we covered last month, which are the dollar index, the euro versus the dollar, gold versus the dollar, and Bitcoin versus the dollar. And then for those of you who have rand exposures, we will also be giving you an update on the rand versus the dollar, euro and pound. Just before we get stuck in, an important disclaimer: this is provided for information purposes only and should not be taken as advice. No past performances are a guarantee of future performances. Trading in financial markets involves risk, so please never risk more than you are willing to lose. And with that behind us, let's jump right in. So firstly, we'll cover the dollar index, which is measured against a basket of currencies. And here we've got the chart from last month, and it shows that we had expected the market had likely topped out at 98.37 and was expected to head lower. If you look at update now, you can see the market just edged slightly higher to make a high of 98.93.20. It is either topped out there or is last thrust away from doing so. Break below 95.84 would confirm the market is topped out, and then we can expect a sharp drop down to 80.72 and ultimately down to 53. Only a break above 103.82 would invalidate this outlook. Moving on to the euro versus the dollar. As you can see here, we had expected that the market had bottomed out at 111.07 and was moving higher. You can see we've now had a slightly lower low at 110.27, but the market has either bottomed out there or was expected to bottom out soon or last spike lower before moving up to 139 to 152 area and beyond. Only a break below 103.40 would invalidate the outlook. And then gold, the mover for the month. As you can see, last month market was sitting at 1,411, and we expected to move up into 1,452 to 1,595 area, which it has now done, as you can see, and the market has either topped out here at 1,535 or is one last thrust away from doing so below 1,595. And once that has happened, we can expect a move down, with 1,346.75 being a critical level to break to confirm a move down, with the ultimate targets being around 722 to 660. And then Bitcoin, you can see last month we had a high of 138.80, expecting some initial retracement towards 7432. Now if you look at an update, the market has retraced somewhat, and it looks like it may retrace a little bit further over the next few weeks, but we are then expecting the market to head higher with the break of above 138.80, confirming a move up in the coming months to 43,000 to 66,000. A break below 6178 would delay that, and below 3122 would invalidate it. Once we've had that move up, we are expecting the market to collapse spectacularly down to the 152.40 area. Moving on to the dollar rand, you can see last month we expected the market to move lower as long as we didn't break up above 15.17.26. And if we look at where the market is now, we've broken above that level, and we have now two possible scenarios playing out. The one is if we keep below 15.69.40, we can expect the market to move down coming months to 12.85 to 12.30 level. But if that level breaks, we should see a move up towards 17.42.55 area, with this 17.81.87 being critical to this being a corrective pattern. A successful break above that would indicate the market is on a long-term uptrend. Moving on to the Euro Rand, here last month we're expecting the market to move down to the 12.68 to 11 area, but we needed to keep below 17.07.87. Now what's happened this month is that we've broken a bit higher there, and when now 18.11.93 is a critical level to watch. As long as that level doesn't break, we're still expecting a move down into that area, but if it does, we can expect to move higher into the 1883 to 1953 area before the market reverses. Obviously we need to keep below the 1953.83 level here on the upside. A successful break above that should involve a need to change our wave count. And then the pound rand. Here last month we were close to breaking this support level, which a successful break of that would confirm a move down to the 14.18 to 12.55 area. What has happened since is we had a false break of that level and a move back up, but the outlook hasn't changed as long as we do not break above 12.85. A break above 19.27.43 would delay this, but we are still looking for the market to head down to that level before reversing and the long-term uptrend resumes. So there you have our updated financial market outlook for August 2019. If you have any questions or suggestions, please feel free to contact us via email at info@dynamicforexllc.com or visit dynamicforexsolutions.com. Also, please feel free to post comments on the Inner Circle WhatsApp group chat or the Inner Circle Facebook page. And until next month, thank you, and we wish you every success in your investment and trading decisions.